Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to smooth a line in Adobe Illustrator. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I've got my pencil tool selected, and I'm just going to draw a straight line, as straight as I can. And this is what we get. I've got a lot of points. It is very rough. And first I'm going to show you how to draw a line and not have it be like that. So have it kind of smooth itself out. So to do that, I'm going to double click the pencil tool and I'm going to change my fidelity to smooth. And then I'll say, okay, now I'll try that again. And we have pretty much a straight line. Now, if it's too straight, you'll want to adjust the fidelity again to something around here. But I find that I like it at its smoothest setting. So if I'm doing something like this, it becomes so much more fluid and just looks a lot nicer. Now, if I've already drawn a bunch of lines and I want to go back and fix them, I can use the smooth tool. To do that, I'll select the line that I want to fix. I'll hit N to get to my pencil tool, and then Option to change to the smooth tool. Or you can also go under here and choose smooth tool right here. If you want to hold Option from the pencil tool, double click the pencil tool. You'll have to have this selected where it says Option key toggles the smooth tool. So I'm going to hold Option or get on my smooth tool and just go over this line, and you'll see that it smooths it out. You just need to follow along the line and it'll just keep making it smoother and smoother as you go. Okay, I just drew another super accurate line, so not very smooth. And I want to show you a third way to kind of smooth this line out. We can come up here to Object, Path, and Simplify. Then we get this little bar. You can just drag this to the left and it will remove most of the anchor points, causing it to smooth itself out. We can also click these 3 little dots and get some more options. We can change our corner point to be smooth, or we can try Auto Simplify. Now that way is good if you have a lot of lines to simplify at once, but this still isn't quite as smooth as I like to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift S or get on my pencil tool and use Option, and then I'll just go over this. And that's it. It's that easy to smooth your lines as you're drawing or after the fact. And by the way, this also works with the brush tool, so you can double click this and change this to smooth too. And I'm using a Wacom tablet, so I also get the pressure sensitivity, which gives me this nice kind of flow. Anyway, that's it. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you do and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.